Hello there guys, welcome back. I'm just gonna go and do the last bit here for the FK. Like I said before, we are having the issue that is trying to compensate between them. Okay, so what we have to do now is just remember that every single one of this control has a group on top, and that group on top is already aligned to this, so it won't flip if we do anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just after this, the top geometry that's gonna come along is this one. So that will be the hip sway, that will be the master. So we take in this case we're going to take the master here, and the father of this control, the control here is going to be the slave. So we say master, slave, constraint, say parent constraint. So now if I were to move the hip, then this stuff here should work. I mean the FK and the IK. See how the FK comes along, which is this one. Okay, that's fine. And then we're going to do the same as well. This join is going to subsequently bring along this control, which is going to be controlled by, or the one that we're going to create the connection with is going to be the actual parent. So it's not going to touch the control, because remember you cannot lock anything here, because this is what the animator is going to use for the animation. So it needs to be 0 out, it needs to be locked, it needs to be unlocked. So okay, so I'm going to take master and slave, which is, make sure you select the group, not the actual control. Constraint, say parent constraint. Okay. And again, as soon as you select this, you see there's a connection there. Same goes with this. So we say master, and we go to the ankle. We say press G for the last command. That's fine. Then again, master. Press toe G. That's it. So now, when I rotate this, which is eventually going to be animated, and this is going to bring, you see, it brings along all the chain. The moment is connected because we are in FK, but if we're in IK because we were in an FK, you see that's how it's going to work. So now the hip work with this. So I'm just going to put that back in there. There you go. So, and that's it for now. I mean, that's all what you need to do. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create the same system that we did with the this one here. So I'm going to create a so when I am in IK mode here, like I am now, I will have only visible this and this control, and when I am in FK, I will only see these three controls and the other ones not. So again, I'm just gonna go into rigging. I'm gonna go into animation, key, and say set driven key. Say set. This is gonna be the driver. This is gonna be the driver. So once I'm selected, and this is the control that we're gonna be using. This is gonna be the attribute. So, and then we select probably these three here. We can probably select all of them in one go actually. So we take this, this, and this, and this, and I think you can select them all actually. And then we say load driven. So yeah, you can select them all. That's fine. I forgot about that. So we say that when we are in FK, which is 0, then the FKs should be the FK should be off. Okay, 0, 0. This should be 0. This should be 0. This as well should be 0. Okay, and this should be 1. That's fine already. And this should be 1. That's fine. So let's select all of them and make sure that visibility and switch are on. So I'm saying this control with this attribute is going to control all this one, and this attribute is the one that's going to be controlled. So we say key. Now we go to the original, we switch it to 10, then we take these ones, and we say when we are in FK, now I want this on. So I press 1. 1. 1. 1 here, and now these two are going to be off. 0 and 0. Now again, deselect it, select all these controls, this there, and we say key. So now when I switch between IK, I'm in IK, I'm in FK. That's it. It's all done there. And then now we're gonna create the same with this, so it can come along. So that will have to be attached to the one that is bound to the skin. Because you remember this control here, if you go press the arrow up, now you go to the parent. That's the parent, the group that's controlled by the left palm, and it's not, doesn't say anything here like IKFK, which means that is the original palm, which is the one that is originally bound to the skin. So that's the one that's going to come along, because this chain is going to be switching between IK and FK. So for this, we probably need to go and select this and hide it. Close this and bring along this one, the left hip. So this is the original that is bound to the skin. Okay. So I'm gonna take this, press Ctrl G, group it, center pivot, look for it, take the naming convention, underscore GRP. Now I'm gonna put it probably here. The ankle is fine, the equivalent of the palm here. So we say master, slave, constraint, parent. So now doesn't matter where we are. If we are in IK, okay, if we're in IK, then this guy, you see, comes along this control. If we are in FK, it will always come along as well, because it is bound to the actual it's being controlled by the chain that is bound to the skin, not the one that is switching between one and another, like the IK and the FK. Okay, I'm just gonna put that back in there. Just gonna work and put it in IK. So that's it. So that's your legs and your arms sorted. The next thing we're gonna do, the final thing we're gonna do here to finalize the legs, is we're gonna create the foot roll system for in the IK chain. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. All right, thank you very much. All right, bye bye.